Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video we are redoing the Leucomelas tank. Out there is supposed to be a waterfall, and the problem is the water is going from that side to there. This is separated by a piece of glass, but this doesn't work. What I'm going to do now is to take the glass out so that there can be more water, and we raise the land so that the land isn't in the water, because now when the water goes from there to there, anything is wet and not so good. The pine bark isn't going to mold or anything yet because I drained the water every now and then, but as you can see, no, you can't see, but normally there the water is up here and this water is slowly going down, and so I took out the plants to get the frogs out. You will see the frogs at the end of the video, but now I just whip anything out and see you in the next timestamp. So we cleaned anything out. This water and debris was under the mats. Also a lot of disgusting dirt. Now we are going to take out the glass and then start redoing anything. And we got the glass piece out. I didn't use a lot of silicone, as you can see, just a little bit. Now we're cleaning it a bit off. Don't be super accurate, but make it just a little bit nicer. So anything cleaned out, and then we start cleaning the filter mats and preparing additional ones. I don't remember why I thought I have enough foam, but these pieces are all I got left. Yes. I found some clay balls and they work pretty well, I think. Cleaned them up. So then let's put it back on the shelf and start planting, I think. And after planting, the tank is finished. I just reused the old plants, cut the bromeliads, put them on new spots, relocated the plants a little bit. Down there they have a hide, pretty dark hide. There's their coconut and the waterfall, and hopefully I can show it to you. Takes a moment, and there it is. And then I think it is time to put the frogs back in. And there are the frogs. So we now try to do this one-handed. You open it and let them, and then you have it tight or not. No, they don't want. Come on, guys. So I manually put them in. There's one is climbing up there, the other one is hopping back there. Maybe we can see them in the future, because they are pretty shy. I always hear them calling. But that should it be for now. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you like the tank more than before. I do love it more. And Now just enjoy the frogs and a little bit of the water splashing. And have a nice day. Bye.